Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with QuickBooks, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to choose a QuickBooks product that suits your needs. Select the desired product, such as QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. After making your selection, click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button. Next, you will be directed to create an account. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password and confirm it in the next field. Review the password requirements to ensure it meets the criteria. Once your email and password are entered, click on the Create Account button. You may be asked to provide additional information, like your name and business details. Fill in all the required fields carefully and accurately. After entering your business information, click on the Continue button. You might have to complete a verification process through your email. Check your email for a verification link from QuickBooks. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the QuickBooks site and sign in using your newly created credentials. Follow any additional prompts to finish setting up your account. Customize your financial settings according to your business needs. Once setup is complete, you are ready to start using QuickBooks. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. You are now fully registered and can begin managing your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.